Well, Jeep LS swap update. Back to the drawing board. I was not happy with that automatic 4L60 transmission. Transmission itself, there was nothing wrong with it. But I put kind of a big stall in it for the cam in the motor, and it just was not very pleasant driving around town. You had to really get on the throttle to get it to go anywhere quickly. And it was getting horrible gas mileage because of that. So, out with the transmission. And in with the manual transmission. It's a Colorado AR5 5-speed. I've used a bunch of them with Colorados and various other vehicles. Use the 4L60 bell housing. Hydraulics come out the side there. Has this little adapter for that bell housing, because the bell housing that's on these for the 4 and 5 cylinder motors is different. They won't bolt to the V8 motors. And got me a nice little FabBot short throw shifter, which is gonna have to be modified because it looks like the hole in the bottom of the car where it needs to come up is about 4 inches forward. So I'm probably gonna have to build something that goes forward. I know I can flip this one around, but it only will put it about right here, which it needs to be closer to here. So it is a pretty trick little piece of equipment there, though. Some nice little quick shifts. Should have used them in my other Colorado ones, but those things are like almost 400 bucks. They're pricey little bastards. So anyways, I've got the whole console ripped out of the car and everything. Started on it like 2 hours ago. Can't wait to get manual transmission back since I sold my Colorado LS swap with the V8. This thing will be a lot more fun with a manual in it. I'll do another update when she's put back together again, or showing you some interior stuff.